Dear student, today we take the topic the block elements according to the modern periodic table, the S block, P block, D block and F block. So first you remember the group first in a modern periodic table. These are alkali metals group known as S block. The configuration is NS1 and NS2 means last electron entered into the S subshell. The group 1 and group 2. Then student, transition elements group 3 to 10 known as D block elements. These are the electronic configuration. Student, this portion of known as group 13 to 17 P block elements configuration you have seen. Student, the lanthanide and actinide series are known as F block. So first we take the S block elements. So division of elements into S, P, D, F and so first we take S block element. The elements in which the last electron enters the S orbital of their outermost energy level. Electronic configuration is NS1 to 2. NS1 belong to the alkali metal, NS2 alkaline earth metal. The general characteristics are these are soft metal having low melting and boiling points. The low ionization enthalpy means they are high reactive. They are very reactive and readily form univalent alkali metals, bivalent in alkaline earth metal ions, for example sodium Na positive and magnesium Mg2 positive. Because of their high reactivity, they are never found pure in nature. Always they are found in a compound state. The fourth one is strong reducing agent means lose electron easily. Colors to flame means if we burn to them, they are give the characteristic colors on the flame. Mostly form ionic compounds except lithium and beryllium because the size in the group is small, so they face higher effective nuclear charge, so they form the covalent compound, but all are form the ionic compounds means they lose electron. Student, second the P block elements in last electron enter the P orbital. Electric configuration are NS2 and P1 to 6. The general characteristics include both metals and non-metals. Metallic character increases as we go down the group. Second, ionization enthalpy relatively high as compared to S block element means difficult to remove the electrons on the orbital. The third one is student, the form mostly covalent compound. Fourth, some of them show more oxidation state in their compounds. Fifth one, group 18 noble gases means they are inert. Group 17 known as halogens, non-metals, and group 16 known as chalcogens. Student, the next topic is D block elements. When the last electron enter in D orbital, electric configuration are N-1, D1 to 10, NS 0 to 2 means S orbital has 0 to 2 electrons maximum, and the last electron into the N-1 means principal quantum number 1 less shell. The general characteristics are known as transition series because properties of these elements are midway between those of S block and P block element. Transition metals bridge between the chemically active metals of S block elements and the less active elements of group 13 to 14. So student, there are series. The first transition series is scandium to zinc. Fourth period, 3d orbitals are gradually filled. The second transition series, yttrium Z39 to cadmium. The fifth period, third transition series, lanthanum Z57 to hafnium. Mercury, sixth period, 5d orbitals are generally filled. Fourth transition series, actinium, rutherfordium to copernicium. Seventh period, 6d orbital are generally filled. The characteristics are student, transition metals having high melting and boiling points. Most of them form colored compounds. Third, good tendency to form complex compound. Fourth, generally paramagnetic means attracted toward the magnetic behavior. Exhibits several oxidation state and manganese, nickel, cobalt, chromium, vanadium, platinum used as catalyst. So these are the characteristics of a D block elements. Student, next is F block elements. Last electron enters into f orbital. Anti-penultimate energy level means n minus 2. Principals n minus 2. The third to outermost, the electric configuration are n minus 2, f1 to 14, then n minus 1, d0 to 2, ns2 means s subshell is fully filled. First series follow lanthanum, 14 elements, 58 cerium to lutetium, 71 are called lanthanide. Lanthanides are rare earth elements. Second series follows actinium, Z89 to 14 element, 90 thorium, 103 laurentium are called actinoids. Actinoids, these are radioactive elements. These two series are called inner transition elements because they form transition series within the transition elements of D block. The general characteristics, they are heavy metals. They generally have high melting and boiling points. They exhibit variable oxidation state, form colored ions, tendency to form complex compound. Actinoids are radioactive in nature. Many of them made only in nanogram quantities or even less by nuclear reactions, and their chemistry is not fully studied. Elements of uranium known as transuranium elements. So student,